What's up, everybody? This is I guess you could say unboxing, unwrapping of Printful packaging and some of their items that I ordered from Printful. I really like the packaging that it comes in. It's got my brand name. Nothing that says Printful on here, which is really cool. Real legit, real authentic. I haven't opened it yet. This is my first time getting a package with them, so let's check it out. Blacked out my address, so obviously. Trying to be real gentle with it because I ordered a t-shirt. With a bathing suit and a phone case. So, try to cut it. Of course, I know I'm giving myself anxiety with this knife. Hold on. It's real premium. Real nice packaging. Looks like everything's neat, nice and neatly packaged. Alright, so obviously this probably has my address on it, so I'm not gonna show that. But yeah, it's pretty dope. I'll show that. It has a brand name on it. Also, hold on, let me fold this down. Has what you decide to write on there, which is pretty good, pretty cool. I decided to just say thank you for shopping with us. You know, it means a lot. You know, through COVID and everything. So pretty dope. So the first thing is the bathing suit. Actually, I'll wait for that. This is the phone case. Ooh, I like this a lot. Dominican Republic style. And the quality on this is perfect. I'm not gonna open everything up because I plan on like doing a giveaway or whatever. But the detail is perfect. I don't know if you can see close up. This is really sharp. You can see all the words in there. My logo is actually pretty sharp too as well. It's pretty dope. I like this a lot. This is the phone case, Dominican Republic phone case. Let's see. This is the t-shirt that I had. It's from Brooklyn. Well, not from Brooklyn, but I tried to see if they could print one of my photos. Let's see how good of a job that they did. I know it's probably pretty tough, but I really want to stretch the limits to see how good they could possibly do. This is on a Bella Canvas t-shirt. This is a 3X. You might not be able to get it all in. I'm not gonna lie. I'm liking how it's looking already. I haven't even really unloaded. I love how it looks already. Straight. I used the entire canvas. Okay, so the blacks, I don't know if you can see it, but the black didn't print, obviously. They got my neck tag in there, which is pretty dope. It looks dope. the thing is, I guess with it, I really pushed it to the limits. This is actually under the Dumbo Bridge. Let me try to see if I can straighten this out a little bit, so you can see it a little bit better. A fan running in the background too. It's pretty hot in here. So this is underneath the Dumbo Bridge, and it looks pretty dope. I mean, the blacks, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the black did not print on black. Like the black parts of the shirt didn't print on black. So that's something you should keep in mind. It doesn't look stupid. It just kind of looks like you can tell where the material, the director garment is like on here, like printed, but it looks like it's black. But overall, I think it really did a really good job of the shirt, of the file. I just put Brooklyn, New York. I'll take a couple pictures of it so that way you guys can see it full on. But it looks like it came, I mean, it looks exactly like how I like it, you know, how it came out. It's just a t-shirt though, but you know, Bella Canvas. I really like the premium look to it. They put my brand in there, so the brand looks dope. That looks sick, honestly. They took the tag off. You can see the tag where they took the tag off. So yeah, it looks dope. I'll take a couple pictures of it so you guys can see it full size, and just add them at the end of the video, or add them right here or whatever. Next up, we have the bathing suit, the two-piece bikini bathing suit in the orange colorway. It was pretty much an all-over print, but I kind of made it in a way where the style would be included, I guess, or my brand would be included. So we'll take a look. I'm about to open this up. Oh man, I'm weak. I'm sorry. Alright, so this is for my girlfriend. You know, so we'll see about that. We'll see how she likes it, honestly. But yeah, this is, ooh, I like this too, I'm not gonna lie. This looks dope. The strings everywhere, honestly. But yeah, this is the top. Let's see. Yeah, this is the top. Primavera. This actually came out perfect. Perfect how I like it. It's in a orange colorway where it goes from like red to orange. Perfect. It's reversible, so you can reverse it and have no brand if you like. But yeah, I love it. I love it. It's just the top. So you know, obviously you can imagine how it'll fit a woman. You just tie this up and it goes around the boobies. So that's the top. All right, and we have the bottom here. The bottom is just all one piece. So this is also in the orange colorway. For some reason they included the tag. This is just to let you know this is supposed to be the inside. Obviously you can remove the tag. That was my intention, was to have women to remove the tag. I did not know it would have a tag, but that is pretty cool that it does. I mean, at least it knows that you wanted to have it in the inside. It can be reversed. I might have to update that in my design, just so that people know that I want the brand to kind of be outside. But this looks perfect. When a woman puts this on, it's perfect. The feel of it is just like a bathing suit. You can tell that the water is very washable. It will be washable, and it's also reversible. So we have it so like I can, you can put the red down like this, and it'll just be like reversible. So you can wear this out or reverse it, any way that you want to wear it. I designed it that way, so that way it's cool. I mean, the design is dope. Just a nice simple colorway. The design, the name actually came out pretty high definition too. I didn't think that it was gonna come out as good, but it looks like it came out pretty good. You can see the white around it. So they just printed on a garment. It was supposed to be all over print, but the way my mind worked was to just kind of imagine it in that way, where I took the design and kind of tweaked it a little bit so that way it was not all over. But yeah, it's pretty dope. I like it. That's it. Once again, let me show the Dominican Republic case. I got a whole bunch of flags that I'm just kind of working on and putting everything together. So yeah, hit me up if you have any questions or anything like that. Otherwise, the website probably will be going live pretty soon. This is primavera.com, and let me just get the t-shirt in there one more time. This is a black Bella canvas, by the way, if I didn't mention that. Everything looks high quality. This is exactly why I went with Printful. I'm not even gonna lie. I did my research and everything looks great. Colors look great. Everything looks great, just as I expected it to be. And yeah, I love it, man. Let me try to flatten this out. Look at it. It's under Dumbo. And like I said, you can see where the black didn't print. Focus that. Where the black didn't print on the black, but you probably won't even notice that, honestly. When you actually get the shirt and you put it on from far away, you can't even notice it. It's like perfect. So yeah, nice and focused. See how I handled the gradient. So this is like purple to white. I'll put the original file so you guys can see, but it looks perfect. I love it. If you have any questions, I guess hit me up, or reach out to me, or we're here all day, 24/7. Primavera.com, and that's it, man. Thanks for watching.